Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and detach the glove box from the hinges. Pull on the bottom tabs and slide the housing door downward to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the top tabs of the housing cover, then press the bottom tabs to lock it into place. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.